Yeah. So I have been studying money for, I think, probably like 5 years now. And I feel like I can reduce it down into like three main pieces for people
Mm.
because I am like I have ADHD, and I think the way that I learn is like, okay, I need to see it kind of visually, and I need it broken down into like really practical, like, okay, yeah, I can understand that. I can get down with that. A lot of money stuff is taught very conceptually, which
Abstract. Yeah.
yes, and I'm like, what are we talking about? Money fairies? Like, I don't know. So I think there's three pieces. There's one, the ability to create money, right? Two, the ability to hold money,
Mm.
right? And then three is releasing money or
Mm.
spending money.
Mm.
And so most people have a easy time releasing money, and they don't have the capacity to, like, sure, we can teach people through business how to create more money, but actually what's missing for most people is the ability to hold money and
Mm.
actually feel safe with money.
Catch all the episodes at theprofitablecoach.com or your favorite podcast player.